The 3Doodler Create is an updated version of the 3Doodler 2.0, which comes with a few new features. They added button labels for fast and slow speeds, and a clear hatch so you can see the plastic inside the pen. The biggest improvement is that it jams way less. This is very important because it's super frustrating when a 3D pen jams and you're trying to fix it instead of making cool art. So how did the pen do when I made this art? It jammed a few times, but that's not as much as the 3Doodler 2.0, which jams 5 or 6 times per project, so I do feel it's an improvement. Each time it jammed, I had to remove the hatch, but the good news is that I was able to fix it every time. It was much easier to fix than the 3Doodler 2.0. I also noticed that every time I put a new strand of plastic in, I had to push it in to get it to work properly. It worked the best when I used ABS plastic, and I seem to have the most issues when working with Flexi plastic. If you're getting a 3Doodler, this is the best one out, but I still prefer other 3D pens that don't jam as much. If you're trying to figure out which 3D pen to buy, check out my blog where I help you find the one that's right for you. Also, I'll be trying out the 3Doodler Start and a few other pens when they come out next month. I'm red, I'm angry. No, I'm red, I'm angry. No, I'm the real red. All my Angry Birds. Red versus Pikachu. Make sure you subscribe for more 3D pen videos and for the latest 3D tech.